Where's she at? Where's she at? Why does it have to be this way? Can't tell you go.
Can't tell you to stay.
What do you say?
Just one of those days.
What do you say?
Just one of those days.
What do you say?
Just one of those days.
What do you say?
Just one of those days.
What do you say? Yeah.
Just one of those days.
Can you hear me, Brooklyn? Can y'all hear me?
Just one of those.
Can you hear me? Oh, can you hear me, Brooklyn? What's up, BK? Hey, Brooklyn, how many of y'all know that Watchy Marley is my son? Do y'all know that? Yeah? I mean, I don't really come here with any plans, but y'all, it's funny how money changes situations. Miscommunication, legal complications. Emancipation over generation. I was on the humble, you on every station. So don't play up Miss Hill like she does. But remember not to gain no under the sun. Everything you did has already been done. I know all the chicks from Brixton, Brooklyn. Kingdom Major, Kingdom One Rod. Understand I'm boogie non-violent. If a good test me, then I'm for me back. Can't take a threat to my newborn son. I've been this way since creation. Ruby, how you fall from temptation? Now you won't proud of a separation. Tarnish my image in your conversation. Who you gon' scrimmage like you the champion? Might win some, but you just lost one. Might win some, but you just lost one. I said you might win some, but you just lost one. Just lost one. But you just lost one. I said you just lost one. Yeah. Now, how come your talk turned cold? In the whole world for the price of your soul. Trying to grab hold of what you can't control. Now you off house with a sight to behold. Wisdom is back to the silver and gold. I was hopeless, now I'm on hope road. Every man wants to act like he's exempt. We're legal to down on the knees every day. Talk on the thing in judgment. Your movement similar to a serpent. Try to play straight, how your whole style been. Consequences, no coincidence. Hypocrites, I was wanna play innocent. I was wanna take it to the full out. I was wanna make it seem like nobody's hit. Never wanna chase it when it's time for punishment. I ain't niggas don't wanna hear a clear opinion. Many paths, must choose one. Don't change, rain so much. You might win some, but you just lost one. You might win some, but you just lost one. Said you might win some, but you just lost one. I said you might win some. You might win some, but you really lost one. It's so silly how come when it's all done. Did you really gain from what you done? I said what you done. You might win some. Hey, might win some. I said you might win. Hold on, baby. You know this other song? Can I get a lipstick? Yeah. Oh, but you just lost one. I said you just lost one. Yeah. Strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, with his song, killing me softly with his song. You got the tone, bro? You got it? Yeah. Funny, 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 funny how. Funny, 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 funny how. Funny, 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 funny how. You might win some, but you really lost one. You know that? You know that song? Yeah. You know that song? Hold on. You know it. Hey. Alright. I want you to sing along with me, okay? All right? All right, hold on. One more time. I want you to do that one more time. My brethren on keys, do that one more time. One more time, okay? Yo, hold on. Strumming my pain with his finger, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. Reggae style, sing.
One time.
You ready there, Patrick?
Two time. One time.
Y'all ready? Y'all ready? One time, two times,
Two time.
I heard he sang a good song, yeah. I heard he had a style, yeah. And so I came to see him and listen for a while. And there he was, Bishop White, a stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with his fingers. One time, singing my life with his words. Two times, let's go. Killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly. Come on, Brooklyn, sing along with me to the bridge, to the bridge, to the bridge, Brooklyn, to the bridge, Brooklyn, yeah.
Sing along one time, Brooklyn. Sing.
You're strumming my pain. Come on, sing. Killing me softly with his song. Patrick, with his song. Telling my whole life with his words. Killing me softly. With his. Come on, easy. Hold on. What else you got? Do you have a turn your lights down? How long? Do you have that?
Ladies.
Do you have that? Yeah. Who's doing it? Turn your lights down. How long?
Yeah.
Never no try to resist. Oh no. Won't let y'all know I'm shining into our lives. Yeah. Singing over. It's been a long time. I got this message for you, boy. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it seems that I was never on time. Yeah. But still I wanna get through to you, boy. give you some good loving. Thank you so much. No.
Make some noise for Miss Lauryn here.
Can we
Make some noise for
do one more
Sizzla
tune?
production.
Can I do one more tune before I go? Just one more? What y'all want to hear? What? Oh, well, you pulled out some. I don't know those tunes. Which one? Wait, I can't even hear it. Say it again. Which one? I can't even do. They don't know that tone. They don't know that tune. Let me be faithful. Let me be kind. Let me be unselfish without being right. Though I may suffer, I'll envy it not. And in no one comes, 'cause he's all that I've got. Oh, tell him I need him. Tell him I love him. And it's gonna be alright. Oh, tell him I need him. Tell him I love him. And it's gonna be alright. So you got your own song. You got your own song. Yo, how many Fuji fans we have in the house tonight? Hold on. I got these really high shoes on, so I can't jump too tough. Hey, yo, Da Vinci, I want you to drop that one. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What?
Fuji
Come on, you got jump for me, Racksinn. You got jump for me, Racksinn. I'm gonna need y'all to jump, Brooklyn. I'm gonna need y'all to roll. Go. We used to be number 10. Now we burning one. Grab lost my finger. Mike became my arm. Pistol nozzle, hit your nasal. Grab becomes a warm teller. Oh, my easy now, sweet. That shall not take. White neck, see that flesh is sore. Bitch so bad, make you feel like you ain't wanna be born. Tell your friends, say the hell out of my lawn. Take your George, make your dead George. Damn, another damn picture. Your mafiosos said we bringing our Haitians to see it. Somebody shooting, somebody's made a hand grenade. Got black left, watch it, suckers, celebrate. That sounds sick to me one day, I write a horror. I'm black in the coast, get those stick up with Jackson Acura. Stevie on the sea, crack babies. Hey, come in, families on their whole family. I'm a gang, come your number, we so done. Gun by my side just in case I got done. I'm boy on the side of Babylon and shot in front like a damn wheel. Say up Brooklyn, ooh la la la. It's the way that we rock when we're doing upstairs. Ooh la la la.
Like this.
It's the natural law that the refugees bring in. Ooh la 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 la. Sugar, sweetie. Shit, I've been on the mother before. I got yo in salons we drink rooms, the battle booms, the hot new bus rap tunes, the fast moves, no shorts like Gucci's like Gucci, Gucci's a Lucci, found it environmental me, she eating sushi, bumping Fuji. Try to take my coma, we don't play, say. Like Paul McCartney, not hard we are. Big enough you I can see right through your bluff, these niggas huffing and puffing. Can't handle us, we boss, cause we fortified, I can never hide. Secretly high crime when Gucci's died. Twisted that missing by some other Negroes. Don't remove none of my clothes on the first episode. You shouldn't just refugees. Your whole sound said boutique. You have to respect Jersey, cause I'm from the back. Behind on the Fuji. Oh la la la. What you say? Yo, Will, easy. Yo. Ready. Come on, Reggie. Come on. Y'all know this song?
Fuji fans, hands in the
Sing
air.
along with me if you know this song.
Fuji fans, hands in
If
the
you know
air.
this song.
One time like this.
Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. I'm gonna find you and take it slowly. Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide.
Say you can hide.
I'm gonna find you and make yo. I play my enemies like a game of chess where I press. No stress, we don't smoke steps. Yes, I must confess my death to these men. My best is so Texas sweat. Tricks like I'm homeless. Rap orgies before getting past. Capture your bounty like Alien Masters. Bless you, represent the fool, but I hate you. With some witches pro if you do, they voodoo. I can do what you do, easy. Frontin' niggas give me heebie-jeebies. So why you imitating? 'cause I got a lot. Oh yeah. Anywhere you go,
Anywhere you go.
my whole crew's got to know they're in Brooklyn. They're in Brooklyn. You can't hide from the block. Oh no. Anywhere you go,
Anywhere you
my
go.
whole crew's got to know in Brooklyn, 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 Brooklyn. Hide from the block. Oh no. Ready go knock the refugees taking over. Buffalo soldiers, red like Rasta. Almost my family. Crews on for cover now, they under pushing up flowers. Super fly, do or die, true lies. Only puff lie with my crew from like high. I ain't refugee from Guantanamo Bay. That's around your border like I'm Cassius Clay. Ready or not, here I go. You can't hide. I'm gonna find you. Stay in slow. Ready or not, here I go. You can't hide. I'm gonna find you and beg you for me.
Brooklyn, Brooklyn. Make some noise.
And thank you for sharing your stage with my son YG Marley, y'all. Respect Brooklyn.
Make some noise for the incomparable Miss Lauryn here.
Yeah, yeah.
Make
Are you
some
feeling
noise
it?
for Sizzla.